So you want to know how to get monetized on YouTube fast and make money with YouTube. So make sure to watch today's video. Watch until the very end to know step by step on how to make money with YouTube and get monetized within 3 to 6 months. So let's get into it, and if you have not already, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with the latest and greatest. So first question is, how do you actually go and get monetized on YouTube? Well, this is my channel right here, and as you can see, 49 subscribers and 38 watch hours. As you can see, I'm far off from 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 12 months. So for me to actually apply, I need to get these requirements. But how do I do that? So step number one would be definitely create good content. So many people put half-assed content out there, which people, one, are not interested in, two, it's not captivating enough, and three, it's just not something that people are searching for. For example, if you make videos about drinking water, not many people are going to care about drinking water. However, if you made videos on headphones and which headphones you recommend for gamers, people are probably looking for that search term. Therefore, you need to make videos of what people are searching for and not what you want to do. That is the harsh reality of YouTube. So number two would be to improve your video search ranking by doing your research. So what does this mean? Optimize your videos, use SEO, use Google, use YouTube, and use programs such as VidIQ and TubeBuddy. So for example, we got here TubeBuddy, which is the keyword explorer feature, which you can get for $9 a month. If you want to go and get this, then it's once again $9 a month, and it's on TubeBuddy. I will leave a link in the description for you if you want to go check it out. But this keyword explorer tool is very helpful. As you can see, I typed in a generic keyword, how to make money on YouTube, and I clicked explore, and this is my ranking. As you can see, we are refreshing so you know it's real, and as you can see, the overall score is very good, 66 out of 100. Search volume is very high, competition is about middle, and optimization strength is very high. As you can see, the lowest video view count found on this list is 45, and as you can see, I rank 28, as well as you can see it on YouTube and Google and video topics and common tags. So what you can do is you can put these tags into your description as well as your script. How to make money on YouTube, how to get monetized on YouTube, how to make money with YouTube Shorts, how to make money in 2022, and the list goes on. And if you want to rank on Google, you can also check this out: how to make money on YouTube, how to get monetized on YouTube, and more. And then you got video topics, which is how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube fast, can you make money off YouTube, how I can make money off YouTube, and you can rebrand the certain topic around different sections. And the common tags, you can literally just copy this. So make money on YouTube, how to make money on YouTube, make money online, Matt Parr, how to make money on YouTube without making videos, how to make money online, and the list goes on and on. As you can see by the graph, the weaker the line, the lower the search results. So get the top ones regarding in your niche and your video topic, copy them and put them into your tags as well as your description. And of course, say these words in your script. So if I'm making a video about how to get monetized on YouTube, make a video and a script and use the keywords from tags and your description, put them into your script. So for me, mine is about how to get monetized on YouTube, and I will mention in my script how to get monetized on YouTube and do it fast. This is VidIQ, and I put in the same keyword here, how to make money on YouTube, or if we want to search for today's result, how to get monetized. And if we search for how to get monetized on YouTube, as we can see the search volume every month and competition, which is low. So this is actually a good keyword to look for. So you can see matching terms, how to get monetized on YouTube fast, how to get monetized on YouTube with reaction videos, how to get monetized using someone else's videos on YouTube, and you also get related words. So search by overall score. And of course, number one is YouTube monetization with 167,000 views each and every single month. And of course, there's questions: how to get monetized on YouTube fast, how to get monetized on YouTube with reaction videos, how to get monetized using someone else's videos on YouTube. And we can see down here that there are prime examples on how to actually go and get monetized. So you can go check these out if you want to, or you can check them out for ideas. So you can also come up here and go to related keywords, and if you have a pro version you have more selection. So if you want to get a pro version, go ahead and do that. I believe it's $20 a month. And if we search by overall, and we can see the main keywords again. So YouTube monetization, how to get monetized on YouTube fast, YouTube monetization explained, matching terms, and questions. So you can use all of these in order to rank better on YouTube. Now the key of important is number 1, your title. Number 2 would be your thumbnail. Number 3 would be your description. Number 4 would be the actual captions in your videos. And number 5 would be the generic tags within your video. So if we come to the YouTube Studio dashboard, which you will have, of course, so if we go to content and we go into a latest video, and what most people do not do is they do not add a end screen and they do not add cards. Now the reason you want to add end screens is because of this. So let's open up, and as you can see we have a video playing, and at the end I have a call to action, which is thank you for watching Financial Success, click here for more. And I have another video, so if people like this particular video they can go check out this video. So what does this do? This incites people to watch more of my content, which will boost my watch hours, and people will see that I am a trusted source of information, which can increase your reason people will actually subscribe to you, because you are trusted the source of information. And another way you can actually get more people to click on your videos is you can add cards. So what you can do is you can go to the 1 minute mark, for example, click on add video, and let's find a video that has done well, how to make $500 per day with an AI program. And the 2 minute mark we can also add another video, so card, video, click on this one, and as you can see we got another one, so add a third one, so add card, add video, and let's pick this one. And as you can see we have 3 call to actions: check out this video, check out this video, and check out this video. You need to say save and you are all done. So the next important thing what you want to do is also transcribe your content. So this will be number 4. So go into subtitles in any of your videos and go through this. So what you're going to want to do is check to make sure that your captions are correct and change anything that is incorrect. So what you want to do is look for anything like spelling errors, add punctuation, add grammar, and things like that. So if anything's wrong then correct it, because YouTube actually looks at these captions and it sees if your videos are talking about that topic or not, and this can also help you rank faster on YouTube. And therefore the higher you rank, the more possibility someone sees your videos, the more someone sees your videos, the more likely they're going to click on it. Then once they click on it you will get more hours and subscribers to your channel. So the next thing you're going to want to do is also create playlists for your videos. So if we go to the left hand section, click on playlists, these are my playlists. So as you can see we have a generic playlist here, which is all my videos of financial success. Then we have videos that are specifically on YouTube. Then we have videos that are on finances, and you can do the same. So for example, if you talk about how to make money on YouTube, you can make a playlist for your channel and you can make a playlist for YouTube. Then let's say for example next week you talk about how to invest in the stock market, you can add that video to your financial success playlist and a investing playlist as well. So therefore people that are interested in YouTube can check out the YouTube playlist, or if they are interested in finances they can check out the finance/investing playlist. The next thing you want to do is of course make custom thumbnails. So many people do not make custom thumbnails, and it's very important. So this here is Canva. I will leave a link in the description for that. So as you can see I typed in the search bar in Canva YouTube thumbnail. Now I have a pro version, so I have a few features that are available only to me, and you can see what's pro by the crown. So for example, if we look at this here, how to design thumbnail for free, you can make this thumbnail with the free version and then you can customize it where you want. Same as this one here, how to make online money, $3,000 a week, and you can customize it however you want to. And once you've done it, so what we'll do is we'll click on this and we will let everything load in. Once that's loaded in, what you're going to want to do is go onto the share icon and go to download, and let this download. Yes, I want to download. And let's save this to our desktop. And what you're going to want to do, in case you don't know how to upload a custom thumbnail, what you're going to want to do on your YouTube Studio dashboard is come to content, then go to your video and scroll down to near the bottom. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3. These are your default thumbnails. This is what a lot of people use. I do not recommend them. So what you're going to want to do is, this is normally blank. So click on the dots and click on change. And if you go to where your file was downloaded, which was this one, which is how to make online money, $3,000 a week, and you will just click save. But I'm not going to save because it's not my thumbnail, and that's simply how you upload thumbnails. So once again, this program is Canva. It's free, but there's a paid version. Once again, link will be in the description for that if you want to go and check it out. And the far most important thing is, which is the last step, which is be consistent with your content. As you can see, we have uploaded videos pretty well in June. So 1st, 2nd, 5th, 7th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 13th. We took a break here because we didn't have anything that we needed to upload at a particular time, as we were running out of content ideas, but we are back on track simply by looking at what's working, and that's what you can do if you run out of content ideas. Definitely remain consistent on that YouTube grind, and other than that, we will see you guys in the next video. Remember to click on screen for another video and subscribe to the channel, as well as like if you have not already. And there is a YouTube course in the link below if you want to go check that out, which teaches you from A to Z how to start your own YouTube channel, and it's an amazing course and I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.